morning, YouTube. We're in the 2017 Mustang EcoBoost Premium. Today I'm going to talk about 5 things that I hate about this car. The first thing that I would say that I hate is my fuel economy. So hopefully you can see this good. Right there it's showing I'm averaging 20 miles per gallon, and that is a high. Usually it's about 18 miles per gallon in the city. Number 2 on the list that we hate about this car would be the back seats. As you can see, they're pretty cramped. If you look at how I'm driving, let me get you a better shot. So leg room for the guy behind me is about the size of my hand. So hopefully that person has no legs. And also, number 3, what I don't like about the back seat is there are no cup holders anywhere. As you can see, if you got a drink in the back, you just have to hold on to that sucker. Number 4 of what I hate about this car is these rims. I mean, they're alright, but they're not really my favorite. And last but not least of what I hate about this car is not the V8. It is the 2.3 liter EcoBoost. Still got a lot of get up and go, but of course if you have a Mustang, you want the V8. So YouTube, that was the 5 things that I hate about the Mustang. And it's really just nitpicking because I really love this car. You guys have a great day. I'm out.